All right, guys, it's like 8:20 p.m. Getting back from dinner after a long day at work. Schedule mishap, and I'm gonna take a late call. And because I'm taking a late call, I'm gonna collect some cash. So I don't know, recording this in case I want to make some content about it, but gotta stay in the trenches. Basically what happened is I brought on a closer, opened up the calendar availability for him because he's in PST, but I did not close off mine, and I got a 9 p.m. call booked, and instead of rescheduling because there's just a headache and my setter had put in a lot of work, we are just gonna suck it up, take the call. So clocking into the battle station. We got our Richards rainwater ready to roll.
Because I'm one of the best ones, so actually the best one, so they always try to keep me busy. Obviously, coming from sales, I want to give you like a yes or no as soon as possible.
Yeah. No, dude, I respect that a lot. Like take 5 minutes, however much you need. If it's a no, like that's just as good as a yes. You know, I don't want to force anyone, because I'm delivering a service. I'm not gonna deliver a service against your will. Like I'm not here to objection handle anyone to the ground or anything, you know. But yeah, go ahead, take a few minutes.
Yeah, give me just 5 minutes, yeah, so that way I can tell you like All
right, guys, 10:30, 2 hours later, we did what we do. We closed it. Here's the proof. I'm not gonna show too much, but if you've seen a Stripe screenshot before, you know what this means. And I'll show you this real quick, guys. Nobody else has numbers like this in the game. Of the last 15 calls, 86% show rate, 100% offer rate, 76% close rate. And just keeping it real with you guys, the reason why I think we can hit numbers like this is because while I'm decent at sales, like I'm not fighting for the title of like best salesperson to exist. I'm not saying, oh, whatever you're doing, I'm better. Like that's not where the value is in anything that I do. People buy from me because I care about results. I'm involved in the process. I put my name on the line, and it works time and time again. And so if you're running your own thing, if you're a setter, you're a closer, there is no amount of sauce that can make up for selling a good product that people want. If you're currently fighting an uphill battle, maybe you're doing all right, but you know you could be doing better, and you feel like, oh, in this current offer, like, man, it's gonna be so hard. Like if I do this, and this, I might be able to get this result, which is, I don't know, 10K per month, right? Just go to a better offer, bro. Go somewhere where people actually want the offer, where you feel good at the end of the night for selling what you sell. So guys, if you are a sales rep watching this and you want to land offers that, you know, you feel good about selling, you feel like you're actually making a difference in people's lives, I can help you do that, okay? Start with my YouTube channel, message me on social media somewhere. I'm on all the platforms. And yeah, so moral of the story here, put in the work, don't get soft, take the late calls if they book in your calendar. You never know what's gonna happen. Appreciate you watching this far. Peace.